Melissa essential oil is frequently used to treat a series of health problems such as insomnia, anxiety, migraines, hypertension, diabetes, herpes, depression, and dementia. Its antiviral and antimicrobial properties are present in its sweet, pleasant aroma. One of the most well-known benefits of Melissa oil is its capacity to treat wounds and herpes naturally without the use of antibiotics. Melissa, when consumed regularly, can relieve several different health conditions. For restless people, it's an excellent tranquilizer. It reduces anxiety and stress, promotes relaxation, and improves sleep quality. Here are some of the benefits of Melissa oil. 1. It lessens Alzheimer's disease symptoms. Researchers have discovered that Melissa oil helps reduce the effect of Alzheimer's disease. 2. It is an anti-inflammatory. Melissa oil can be ingested or applied topically to reduce swelling and relieve pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 3. It prevents and treats infections. A series of studies indicate that Melissa can be used to treat wounds, including genital and oral herpes. 4. It has anti-diabetic effects. Studies suggest that Melissa oil is an effective hypoglycemic and anti-diabetic. 5. It promotes skin health. Melissa oil is used to treat eczema, acne, and small scrapes naturally due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties. This remedy is recommended to treat gas, prevent stomach, bladder, and intestinal spasms and cramps, both stimulate and relax the digestive system, relieve pain, and lower blood pressure. Our Melissa remedy, just like Melissa tea, calms and relaxes the nerves. It has sedative effects and promotes sleep, so it's better to drink it before going to bed. Attention! If you are already taking sleeping pills, you may experience extreme drowsiness due to the interaction with this Melissa remedy. How to use Melissa remedy? It's recommended to dilute 30 drops of the remedy in half a cup of water and use it as a sleep aid or to fight problems with depression and insomnia. How to make this Melissa remedy at home? Ingredients: 20 grams of Melissa leaves, 3 grams of angelica leaves, 3 grams of coriander, 2 cinnamon leaves, 0.5 grams of clove, 15 grams of lemon peel, 1 liter of an alcoholic beverage, vodka. Instructions: in order to prepare this remedy from Melissa oil, mix all the ingredients with the vodka and let them marinate for 15 days, stirring occasionally. Then strain it and store the solution in a closed glass container away from heat. The recommended dosage is 30 drops diluted in water. You can also make Melissa tea. Melissa tea is frequently used to treat digestive problems, to eliminate gas caused by poor digestion, offering some relief after eating a particularly heavy meal. It also is great to treat nausea, menstrual cramps, and migraines. To make Melissa tea, boil 200 milliliters of water and add a handful of Melissa leaves. Cover it and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Whenever it's warm, strain and drink. Melissa is naturally sweet and tasty, so it doesn't need any sugar, but you can add a few drops of lemon. Drink this tea before going to bed or whenever you want to relax, since it causes drowsiness. It should not be consumed by people with hypothyroidism, children under 2, or pregnant or breastfeeding women. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.